people of Omagh, how long it's been like this? How, like, I don't know. I think I've been on this one maybe once or twice, and I'm here 11 or 12 years now. Like, it's not 4 years, it's not 5 years, it's more. So how about we're gonna put whatever we can and fix it together. Like, maybe business in Omagh can provide, maybe they can provide timber. Maybe someone can provide the metal. Maybe some more good architects could make drawings of new bridge. Maybe some contractors can provide labor. Maybe someone have friends who can get a permit to remove this and then get it fixed. Because, like, it's summer, people don't like to go out. There's not even a bench over here. It's not even a bench. So, how about we're gonna take everything in our hands and do it by ourselves, rather than wait until government will get the funds and get this or that sorted. We can use local businesses to help this, to help economy. Because if local business gets more work, they will employ more people. If they will employ more people, there's more chance for a person in Omagh to get a job. Am I not correct? Yeah. So, how many people? Like 20,000 in Omagh, 15. So, if each one would donate like 10p or 1p, 150 probably would not do anything, but like 1,000. For £1,000, I don't know, we could get at least something, maybe at least this removed, so it would not be, and then close it over here. So, you can still see, but there would be no restrictions for you to enter. So basically you could, I'm gonna go here now. So basically this would be removed, yeah, and then someone would build a wall over here, and that's it. And then, it would not be that restricted. It would be okay. And now this, like, it's the biggest structure in this park, apart lampposts. Hey, if we could get that removed, it would look like it was, but it's broken, and then no one would know how it looked. Now people see, and they can't go. And what's the story behind that? Like, oh, it's broke, no one fixed it, and then we closed it, and then we left it like this. Like, it's silly to do that. So how about yeah, I'm gonna look around the house. I'm gonna get stuff, because I have loads of stuff that we don't use, and we already talked with wife, but we gonna get stuff out of the house. So I'm gonna check all that. I'm probably gonna go to a car boot sale to get everything shipped, and then wherever I'll donate towards this one. So that's what I think. That's what I think needs to be done. Well, there's loads of things needs to be done, but this one, I only came to this place, like, when I came. Oh, come on, there are people. Seriously, what's that? Yeah, and there's no bin. That's what I thought about, another thing. There's no bin. People come to feed the ducks, yeah? So imagine, I've come to feed the ducks, and I have a bag, yeah? And I fed the ducks, have a bag. How many of us go and put it in the bin? Most of us. But there are at least 1 or 2 people who doesn't do that. So there's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 people who doesn't do that. Because of them, we all have to suffer, like. So yeah, that's what I think. I'm gonna finish that because I need to go. So yeah, that's what I think. We need to get everything fixed. Like, we can get. I thought about that. whoever donates, yeah, I've thought about making GoFund, no, Fund me page, yeah, Fund me page, and then try to ask. Maybe someone will donate. So maybe someone will offer this or that, or official, because if it's gonna be on that page, like it's gonna be official. So whoever donates, thank you. So what I thought, I'm gonna make a Facebook group. And then whoever donates money, I will add them into that group. Whoever donated will have a vote on how everything should be done. So it would not be that, oh look, Ramos got all the money, now he's gonna do whatever he wants. Fuck him. I'm not gonna donate for him. So basically, whoever donates goes into the group, and then they can decide. I know how it will work. Of course, I'm gonna need help if will be people who donates anything. But yeah, what's the design? What suppliers to use? Where to buy? Who to hire for labor. So, for example, I'll get 5 best companies out of Omagh or Omagh area, and I'm gonna list them 5, and whoever donated gets 1 vote, and then we're gonna vote. Whenever everyone voted, then we're gonna see which one, and then we're gonna go with that one. It would not be that I'm picking and basically have nothing. Yeah, it would be like in politics. Yeah. Now you vote for them, but they don't need to keep the promise. Well, here you voted. Yeah, good, because and then whoever stayed in that, so we can grow community like that. Yeah, it's a good thing, another thing. But yeah, at the first alarm. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. I already have a campaign set up. So I'm just gonna upload the video, upload the pictures, and then I'm gonna share. And whoever thinks it's a good idea to keep our town tidy, nice, where people could go, and that's in the middle of a town kinda. I was sitting here and it's very little noise. Have you guys been here? It's really nice. Whenever the sun goes down, it's still warm, and there's no wind. Oh, okay, there is some wind, but not that much. It's really nice. And imagine if this fixed. Yeah, let's remember 6 years ago, wherever this is fixed and water is clean, look, I bet it was nice. There should be no weed, or how you call that, around these stones. It should be just stone entry, and you should see all the stones, and all the stones should be clean. So imagine that. Okay, even if you're moving with this one, it would open more of the lake. It would look nicer, or if we could clean it, we tidy up. We live in Omagh. We decide how to live. Like, we're paying taxes. Okay, government doesn't look after everything what we expect, but we earn money. We can, of course. I think in Lithuania you can choose some percentage of your tax to go to school, to your local school if you want. I don't know how things work over here. Can you choose something that your tax would go to local region or anything? But even if you can, like, if everyone would donate 0.01, like not even 1%. Yeah, at least 1% per year. So at least 15,000 per year. Imagine 1%, £1 per year, 15,000 pounds per year. So a year we could fix something. Imagine that a year. I don't know how much that cost. Imagine the year. Over there you can build a play park. One thing a year. That's good, isn't it? It is. Okay, that's it. I'm going. So see you guys. I don't know, an hour. Please, if everyone have an idea, like if anyone have an idea, Yeah, if everyone have an idea about what to do here, like, yeah, if anyone knows someone who could help, that would be awesome. Like, if we would get this stuff sorted, we could do another thing, tidy up streets or clean clean our how do you call that, public places, not the public places, parks. So yeah. So I'm out.